So I am so grateful to work for the company I do, American Homes. It is a wonderful place with great leadership. The owners have been partners for over 30 years. They have very talented managers on their staff. And we are charging through to do a great virtual open house weekend. For those of you that don't know, real estate agents are still considered essential, and we can sell and have been. I've got people who have bought homes for my team through Zoom walkthroughs. We are able to do home inspections. We are able to do final walkthroughs, get things to contract. The title companies are still able to run title. So all the important stuff can still happen. And this weekend coming up, we are doing our first virtual open house weekend. It's a little bit of a change from what we normally do, but we just can't have open houses right now. We can't have massive amounts of people walking through. We need to obey social distancing laws and obey the rules that the state has set out for us. We shouldn't be, not only shouldn't be, we really are not allowed to be in a house with a buyer or seller. No face-to-face showings. If a buyer's in a house, the buyer should be in the house by themselves. Seller's in a house, the seller should be in the house by themselves. And when we're in the house, we should be in the house by ourselves, and that's the way it should work. Home inspections, my understanding is the same thing, but I am not a home inspector, so you would need to speak to them to find out their exact rules. But the reality is that we can do things virtually. So this weekend, we are holding our first virtual open house weekend. Many of our agents have already been doing this, but we've got probably 50 or 60 virtual open houses that we're going to be hosting this weekend, and I really look forward to it. If you get a chance, click on the link in the description, and you'll be able to see what virtual open houses there are. If you're interested, pop on. Let me know if there's any interest, and my team and I can help you. Reach out to my team if you've been speaking to them directly, whatever the case may be. I look forward to seeing you all soon, and look for my virtual open house tomorrow, Saturday at 1 o'clock. Take care.